lesson is from my Nigerian friend on this channel called Today. He said he want a song from Chief Osita Osadebe. His song Onwa Di Mma. I don't know if I have it correct. Onwa Di Mma. That is the title of the song. So let's all welcome him on this channel, because I have a lot of Nigerian friends here who are students and co-guitarists who want to have a lesson with us. So not wasting time. If you're new on this channel, please don't forget to make the red subscribe button here highlighted or black. That is all. Then you are part of us. So let's go straight to the board and do the guitar works of Chief Osita Osadebe, his song Onwa Di Mma. So let's go. The key is F. I've said from this time, I don't want to do the whole thing before teaching you. No, that will not help you to build up your ears and other things. So nowadays we are all learning the same song. You see how I catch up the notes. We all learn. So after this, you can even have assignment for yourself and learn another song your own way. That will be benefited for you. So not wasting time, let's go to the guitar board and look at what is going on there. You have the F. This is F key, F. And we have So. This is C. A So. Second string, third string, fourth string. You have this as So, or So here. That is C. Then we have Re, Do, duet. Do, Re, Mi, Fa, So. So Do and Mi, Re and Fa, because this is F. Do, Re, Mi, Fa, So, La, Ti, Do, Ti, La, So, Fa, Mi, Re, Do, Ti, La, So, Fa, Mi, Re, Do. This is where we are using. Then we move to this F here. You have F here. Do, Re, the same octave. The Mi. He played something on that position too, so that's why I've laid emphasis on it. He played another F here. This is F. Do, So, Mi, Do, making up the F chord. Then So, we played So here. We use Do and So chord here. Do and So, that is G, C major. F major is Do, C major is So. The same here, we have F major here as Do, and we have C major as So, and we have Fa here, B flat, and Re, G minor as Re, and T, then Do here. These are the chords and surface we are going to use to play the song. So let's go to the song and play the song before we learn. I don't want to learn and teach you. No, that is not a way now, because I had a comment yesterday that, oh, I should do it slowly so that the beginners, average beginners, will understand exactly what we are doing. But for the advanced and intermediate, sometimes they will understand, but for the beginners, they are playing. So advanced and intermediate players, please let us all help teach the incoming beginner guitar students. So let's go to the song. Okay, let's find out this. Let's pause the song and do this. This Do, he start. So many, then Do, chord. Two times. So that is the intro. So, mi, fa, re, so chord. Fa, re. It means what? So we can play. Fa, re. That's re chord, re duet. Re. So. Let's go. I don't want to play ahead. Let's go and follow the other patterns until the song ends. So let's go. Let's start to this point and join the rhythm. Let's do that part. So after the rhythm he play, and that type he set up the combo to rotary. I can see the speaker rotary settings. So he move. Let's move it to speaker rotary and look at how it sounds. With deep effect. So let's tune the effect that way. That is how the certain effect for the lead guitar, then the rhythm guitar. So let's remove that effect because we've shown it. So let's go to some normal settings. So he played do, fa, so, or T duet. Or you can move to so, do, fa, so, fa, do. So let's continue. Let's go back a little bit and continue. With this one, I will not do editing because I want us to know, all of us to follow the rehearsing technique. So let's start again. So. Then the rhythm guitar has come. So let's stop it. I have it. We all stop. Pause. So la la la. So then so chord because C. Then we play so la la la. Do for F chord here. This is the F. Do so. Then we play because if you listen attentively, you so. So this is the rhythm guitar playing this side of the song, the lead guitar playing the rhythm here. So sometimes the lead guitar changes. But the concept is so fa do fa so fa do fa so fa do fa so fa do. You can see this is fa, B flat, so C, fa, B flat, then do. That is the concept or the chord, the progression. The song was built on it. So let's move on to where the solo is. Or so let's go to the solo because this is it's the same thing. So that part, that is the guitar he played there. So let's move to where the solo is. I'm sure there is a solo inside. So the solo, let's listen to it first and try our hands on it before we learn. Okay, let's go over it again. Then okay, then I have it. Let's stop the song and do that. Because he played this. Then so, because I said this is F, so he played so do. Then he played re mi mi re re do. Re mi re mo re do. Then he played this. So let's do it. la la la. Mi so do, then he play dog. So la la la. Then he so the so chord. That the difference is here and here. They are the same. So let's play together and jump to the another solo too. So let me explain something here. So this respect fa. So then he played the sogo. It means fa. Then he played the. So he used for fa chord. Then fa so fa do fa so fa do fa so fa do. That is the technique or the motive behind that. It's not just playing for playing sake, because he has omitted the fa chord and he play. So let's continue. So we are going to the next solo. Let's all listen and play, because I don't want to play and teach. We are all learning. Okay, let's prove that point. Let's play. Mi, re do re do re. So let's play that part before. Re mi re do ti do. But T, instead of playing the T minor, no, he didn't play the T minor. So let's continue on to the other ones, because I say we are all learning. I will not learn and teach, but we are all learning for you to know the learning procedures. So then that is the next thing. Let me stop. Re do. Let's go back. Okay, let's do that part. So mi so mi. Mi so mi so mi so mi re do ti la so fa mi re do la do ti. Again. That is the next point. Let's continue after that point. That is the next point. So let's stop it and do that. Re fa mi re do ti la so fa mi. Then let's continue. Let's go back small and continue. So I've got that too. Do ti la so do ti la so fa mi mo re. Do ti la fa mi mo re. So do ti la fa mi re. Again, do ti la fa mi mo re. Let's continue. Mi re ti re do. So do. So I'm sure these are the key words he played. Take your time and do the detailed thing, because I don't want to play, because if you watch most okay, thank you. Let me stop the song. If you take a look at almost all my video, I do learn the solos, everything in detail, and teach. But this time around, I want to put much pressure on you too. If I say I want to play everything, not leaving one note, it will make you lazy in some way. So sometimes I'll break up the parts that are difficult to hear or to know, so that you build up and see, oh, this note is here, this note is here, but the basic part or the main portion that I can see it will disturb you, I'll break it down. But if you are still not certain, please let me know, because it's based on the advice people are giving me. Oh, please, we want to learn some, and there are beginners that you have to break it for us, not playing the whole thing. So if you still don't get it clear or correct, or don't like it this way, you can leave me a comment at the comment section for me to know exactly what to do for you. So thank you all this wonderful family here for joining me. I've done this lesson on Facebook Live and here too. So thank you for joining me here, and as well as Facebook. Thank you. If you're new on the channel, please, if you like the video, just give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and let's just all learn together. Thank you.